Hey you guys, it is wash day. Yes, the dreaded wash day. So today we are going to be tackling all this hair, and this is the method, you guys, that I have found to be the most effective for me, the least water wasted, the least tears shed. Although you will see some tears shedded in this video, this way has been working the best for me. So I really wanted to share this method with you guys. And pretty much all you see me doing here is I am sectioning her hair in 4. It always works best on natural hair to work in sections. And so a majority of our watch day takes place with us just sitting in the living room. I do not get her in the water until we are done with this initial step. And so all I'm doing is I am wetting her hair with a spray bottle filled with water only. And I also gave her just one of her little homeschool books to keep her distracted, keep her learning. And I also have the TV on, so there's all types of distractions going on here just to keep her as calm as possible. So the first thing we're going to be doing is shampooing her hair with the Kinky Curly Come Clean shampoo. I tend to use any products that I am currently using on my hair in her hair. So for those of you who always ask, no, there is nothing specific that I use only for Kyrie's hair. It's just whatever I'm using at the time is what I'm going to be using in her hair. So pretty much all I'm doing, you guys, is I am washing her hair out of the tub. We are washing her hair in the living room. This is the very first step. I am working in sections, getting that shampoo worked up in there. As you can see, I am just twisting it up as I go, moving on to the next section. We're spraying it with water. We're going to continue the same process over and over until we are done with all 4 sections. So I'll go ahead and stop talking now. You guys can just listen to some music, sit back, watch as I tackle this entire head. So now we are heading into the tub, the fun part. So now that we are actually in the tub, we are going to just continue working in our sections. And all I'll be doing here is pretty much just rinsing all of the shampoo out of her hair. All right, you guys, now here comes the really fun part. Hold on. Let me cover your ears. Let me cover your ears. Kyrie has this thing where she does not like water even touching her eyes, touching her ears, or touching anywhere near her face. So, if your child does not care about water touching their face, this should not even faze them one bit. But as you can see, we have a drama queen on our hands. Well, pretty much this is just going to be the toughest part of the entire process, trying to get all of this shampoo out of her hair without it going into her face, because I don't think she understands that once that shampoo gets in her eyes, that thing is going to burn. Now that we're all done doing that, we are just going to go on with our leave-in conditioner, and it's from the same Kinky Curly brand. And look who is happy again. Sometimes you just gotta let them cry it out. It's gonna be all right. It is gonna be just fine. And it's only that small little portion of the time, so everything is good from here on out. What are you doing? And yet again, I feel like a broken record, but once again, we are going to be working this conditioner, this leave-in conditioner through and just going in sections. So we are continuing to work with our 4 sections. I'm just wetting the hair a little bit because it started to dry up on me. Once we've got our sections done, we'll go ahead and actually shower, and then we are going to go back into the living room. So I've decided to just do a pretty simple hairstyle for her today, and if you guys have already guessed it, it is going to be in 4 sections. So we're just going to take out each of the sections, get the parting the way that we want it. I'm using some Jamaican black castor oil just to moisturize her edges mainly, and I do run it through her hair as well. That smells good. She doesn't care. So y'all just go ahead and sit back and relax and watch the steps that I'm taking. This hairstyle is super simple, so I'll just go ahead and let the video do the rest of the talking. Just wanted to show you guys, even though most of the detangling that was done in the tub was finger detangling, she still hasn't gotten a lot of shedding with just us using the comb afterwards. And I also noticed that I didn't show you guys what I have been using as a cream in her hair. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love the As I Am brand. All of their products are bomb. But the one I actually used in her hair today was the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And you guys, the stuff smells so good. So we're just going to continue detangling and really just running the product through to lock in that moisture. Just get her hair to really be as manageable as possible. So as you guys see, first off, I use my finger to part in this back section because this back section is the thickest. So once I've actually parted it with my finger, then I'll go ahead and actually just clean it up with a tail comb, or a tail brush, I should say. Alright, so we are pretty much done. All we are going to do now is add some little barrettes onto the ends and then slick up these edges, and we are done. And that completes today's wash day. As y'all can tell, she is feeling herself. Thank you. If you all enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that you never miss when I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye.